Okay guys, welcome back to another video, and we got another project we're going to pick up. So I got Axel coming here with me. It's a Monday, so this makes a Monday a really good Monday. And the trip we're going on right now has been a 2-hour trip, and we're 30 minutes from picking it up. There you go, 30 minutes out. Just been going down this 2-lane highway for the last 70 miles. So yeah, just wanted to film this clip before we get there. We're going to pick up a boat because obviously you saw the thumbnail, so I'm not going to try and keep it a secret from you. But we went to the bank. We have the money in the special little white envelope here. Axel went and got his food, and we got a snack bag along with, I brought a lot of tools. I just brought the right amount of tools to be able to get a rim off the trailer if we have a flat, and then our next problem would be we don't have a spare tire with us because I don't have a lot of trailers where I just have spare tires sitting around, and I wasn't gonna steal one off my 16-foot trailer, so we just run to some store and buy a trailer tire or something like that. I don't know. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't get a flat, but if so, we got tools for it, and then we'd have to go buy a spare tire. And yeah, so far we're just cruising. Everything's been going great. Oh, we're coming into town. We got to slow down a little. This is where we're finally making a left turn after 70 miles of a 2-lane highway. So yeah, stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Past it, but there's a farm and supply store right back there, so if we get a flat tire, that's where we're gonna be stopping. We just got a limper, what, 30 minutes? We got a limper just 15 miles, you know, nothing special on a flat tire, which I think might be doable. Hopefully, if it does go flat, it goes flat closer to this location. If the tires are really bad, obviously we're gonna swap them out before we have to drive another hour and a half home, so yeah, but I think we should be fine. But yeah, always gotta take extra precaution and make yourself prepared. I thought I had a storage space lined up for this thing, and yeah, that's the second thing about living in a neighborhood, is you can't have all your stuff outside your house that only has a 2-lane driveway. So yeah, we're just cruising through the small town. We're coming up on a left turn. But yeah, I thought I had a storage unit lined up for it, and I called, and apparently they don't have outdoor storage anymore. So it filled up, and so I called the lady where I store my 16-foot trailer, and I said, hey, could you make a temporary spot for my boat? And she's like, yep, I got you covered. And she came in clutch. So thank you, Caroline, for that. And yeah. See you when we get the boat. Just coming up on this cool bridge, so I was like, film Axel, get the camera out. We were like rushing to get it out of the center console. But dang, look at this bridge. This is,
I don't think I've ever seen this bridge here, bro.
This is such a small town, and they got such a like crazy cool bridge.
Oh yeah.
It's old school. Dang,
nice.
Look at that big old river. What are we crossing? The Illinois River. We're crossing the Illinois River, guys.
Imagine this bridge falls down.
There's a huge barge on this side. Dang, this is so dope. I wish my small town had this bridge.
Yeah, for how come our small town doesn't have this?
Down here with the...
Not even that. Hey, man, like imagine like taking a picture in this bridge.
Yeah.
You know? What
the... guys, by the way, this video is going to be posted 9 days from when we actually pick it up, because I have 2 videos I need to post before this about the Mustang, but the reason why this is so backlogged and everything is because I post every 3 days, but the thing is I haven't been, my last video was like 5 days ago because my storage on my computer is full, so all today and yesterday I was spending just downloading files, transferring them to USB drive, so I can free up some storage on my computer. So now I got a whole bunch of storage on my computer that I can put all the new video files on, and I'm gonna start editing those up tonight, and I'm gonna get one out tomorrow, which today is, well, it doesn't even matter for reference for you. You're gonna be seeing this 9 days later, but that's why it's been a jump. But I should have 2 Mustang videos out before this. Guys, go check those out. If you're watching this, go check those out. Come on.
Yes, sir.
And if you're watching this, subscribe. Guys, we've been killing it. We just hit 600 subscribers. I can't thank you enough for that. Just last July, we had 100. So it hasn't even been July yet, and we're at 600. So the goal is by July to have 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, let's get this goal done.
Yep.
But yeah, Axel, you got any words of advice?
No, yeah, definitely. And like I've seen this channel grow, you know, the past year, and it's definitely gone. Yeah, you've definitely been killing it. Or just everybody in general, everybody has been killing it, and honestly we're gonna still keep on grinding. I was just telling Justin about here, let me face me.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, bro. But I was just telling Justin that we're starting to look at like storage units. So
indoor
storage units.
Maybe we can,
for both of us.
We'd have to see what the rules are, but maybe like create a little workspace environment besides the garage we have, because that's mom's place at my house. So it'd be nice to just get all my junk out of there and all my tools, and we have like a nice little workshop. Yeah, so we've been looking a lot into that.
Yeah, because we're actually starting to get into like getting people's cars, you know, and like basically starting our own little mechanic shop.
Yeah, mechanic shop business thing.
And like doing like small stuff, and then from there like work our way up.
And then also working on our own stuff and working on cool projects like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you guys are what make this possible, so thank you for all the support. I still know a lot of you, like, when I just hit 13,000 followers on TikTok, right? I had like 100 followers on TikTok, and like the people that followed me when I only had 100 on TikTok, they're still here, and they're like commenting and being like, do you still remember me? I was like, I remember you, and like, thank you so much for all the support you've given throughout the whole, however long it's been, like almost 8 months, 9 months, I can't do it, man. But it's been a decent amount of months, and you guys are still here, you're still being active, and you're still enjoying what we're doing, so we must be doing something right.
And it's been crazy how far, you know, we've got it. Because I was just telling Justin, I was like, man, it's crazy. Because like, I remember like literally a year back, these, you know, our cars didn't have this much stuff that
so much, dude.
Man, it's crazy, and like we're still coming in with more stuff to add. And
nobody's stopping us.
Nope, nobody.
Here, I want to show you a little trick, Axel. Axel doesn't know that the screen. There, look at that. The camera has a screen that folds up so we can see ourselves. So
there we go.
He was just like guessing.
Yeah, I was guessing.
But I was helping him out there.
There we go. Yeah, that works.
Oh shit!
Man, they're getting my bad stuff. What's up?
Why is? We might be driving the wrong way.
What?
Hold up. What? Let's pull over real quick.
Just a little behind the scenes.
Yeah, a little behind the scenes of us maybe going the wrong direction. We've been talking. Okay, guys, we're actually good. My phone froze on a location, and it wasn't updating it. So when I looked at my phone like 5 minutes later to see if we needed to turn, I was like, wait, it shows that we're still in town, and we're not in town anymore. And so I was like, oh boy. So I just reset the location, and now it's working. We're on track. We don't have to turn around or anything, thank goodness. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed our little break off of our little what do you call them, spiels, the gushy gushy stuff. But yeah, let's go show you the boat. Okay, guys, so yeah, no, you're not talking, I'm talking. So we got the boat. Look at this beauty. It's a little tiny boat, but it should be plenty fun for this summer, and it's actually really solid. Just needs some minor work done to it, but we both have to use the restroom, so we're gonna go do that, and then we'll show you more of the boat. We're passing through an area, and it smells insanely bad, and Axel freaking rolled down the window to make it 10 times worse. It
smells like cow.
It smells like cow, and it's like, it's a bad bad smell. It's terrible. Okay, now cut back to us doing whatever else we were doing. Okay, time to do a more in-depth tour of the boat we got here. So this is the $800 special. Yup. The trailer's worth like $800 alone. But yeah. The guy was super nice. He didn't have that many, he only had one photo of it, and so he had a lot of people contacting him about it, but it was at his storage unit, so he was just like, if people really wanted it, just come and look at it. And so that, I mean, that's what we did. We just came and looked at it, and it ended up being a really good deal. So yeah, I mean, I thought it was green in the photos. I'll load the photo up for you right here if I can find it on Facebook Marketplace, and he hasn't taken it down yet, but yeah, it's a really stinking nice boat. So common problem with these boats is the floor. It rots out, right? So this one, oh, the vinyl, yes, it's cracking bad, but like, we walked around everywhere on the floor, like, do you hear that? Like, everywhere is solid. So this boat does not need a new floor in it. So that's amazing. The seat, all the covers for the seats, they're in the bed of my truck. I just didn't want them blowing out. And then the motor, it's in actually pretty good condition. It legit, I think, only needs a carburetor like he said, and I think it will legit fire up. So there's the old one, you see? No way is that thing gonna do anything to have it start. So he said the motor's freed up. His buddy, well, his buddy actually put a, hold up, cut to me actually getting this off. So it's a little 4-cylinder, as you can see right there. And so here's the carburetor his buddy put on, and his buddy got it fired up, and actually it cranks over and everything. But this carburetor's no good either, basically is what he said. And so yeah, he said it has compression, it turns over, it's not locked up. So I mean, guys, the notes you should take from this is, if you see something cheap with just one photo, go look at it. Let me tuck this back in. But yeah, it has a nice inboard motor, and then an Alpha 1 unit in back, whatever you want to call it. And then here's our nice little steering area. It's not bad at all, not bad. Throttle, of course, but yeah, the seats, all the seat cushions are in the bed of the truck, so those are still there, and they look like these ones. But if all I need to do is throw a carburetor on it and maybe do an oil change and obviously a new battery, I could pressure wash this floor and vacuum it, and it'd probably all come up pretty nice, along with just pressure wash the vinyl on the side here and then reupholster the seats. Sign me up. So yeah, I hope you guys like the new project. I think it's fitting because it's springtime. I mean, I'm freezing my butt off right now. It's like 40. We just had a 70-degree week, and now it's 40 again. But I think this should be a pretty fun spring project so that we can have some fun in the summer. So yeah, this is the brand of the boat. If any of you know anything about this. It needs 2 new trailer tires though, they're pretty bad. Hopefully we get home. We got like an hour left. Axel's chilling in the warm truck, but yeah, look at this thing. This is dope. You can't tell me that for 800 bucks, this is not a bad deal. And the boat and the trailer have titles. I have titles for both that are clean and good. So yeah, that's the most important thing when buying these things. Because right now, the DMV is a pain in the butt. Well, you don't use the DMV for this, but right now with COVID, anything with titles and all that is so backed up and slow. So you just want to make sure you get a good title. We got an hour and 14 minutes till we're home. So we're gonna keep on at it. And yeah, we'll update you when we're home. We got our Milwaukee light on. It's insanely bright. So we're just gonna bleep bloop that right out. There we go. Now we just have the truck lights on. Oh yeah, you can see us just fine. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of us picking up the boat. It should be a really fun project. We'll do anything to it. Comment down below what you want to
straight
see
pipe.
us do. No, we're not straight piping a boat. Hood stack it.
Yeah.
No, but like colors, any vinyl ideas, so speaker system. Yeah, you guys let us know. We'll try and make it happen. But yeah, just mind that we're on a budget.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe. We just hit 600 subscribers, so let's get to 700, guys. Come on. I know that a lot of you are gonna be watching this, so
Bro, okay, here's the thing. I want you guys to get him to 800 or even 750. 750 by the time we graduate high school, which is literally like a month and like 2 weeks. I don't know.
So we gotta get to. Let's just 700 to 750.
Yeah, 700 to 750.
We'll do
by the time we graduate.
Wait, what is it? April? It's April, right?
No, it's March.
It's about to be March, and then it's about to be April, and then May.
It's March 28th, and
yeah,
it's about to be April.
Let's hit 700 subscribers by the time we graduate. That's a good goal.
There we go. That's a good deal.
Let's work towards that goal. But yeah, yeah. You guys have a great rest of your day.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
With